find out if our tires are safe to be driven on the freeways and roads. We're using a Lincoln Penny to check if the tires are still good in any road conditions, wet roads and icy roads and snowy road. This is an indication that the tire is still usable and still had many months of good use. The Lincoln head is under the tread. If the head of Lincoln is prominently showing above the tread, that's an indication that the tire is no longer safe to be driven on any road condition, especially wet roads, icy road, snow-covered road, and these are dangerous roads to be driving a worn-out tire. Please replace them as soon as possible.